day, welcome to Dyana's kitchen. Guys, I'm going to make a delicious baked chicken and I want to share it with you. Very simple and easy. All right, so what we want to do, we want to cut our chicken out of the bag and we're going to wash it. Is whether you use some lemon juice or you can use some vinegar. For me, I'm going to use some vinegar to wash my chicken. All right. Okay guys, so these are the powder seasonings. So I just want to show you. All right, this is the Jamaican Brownie. All right, I'm not going to put the browning on my chicken today, but if you want to use the browning just to give your chicken some color, you can go ahead and use the Jamaican browning. It's very nice on the baked chicken. All right, you can use like a teaspoon. All right, if you want, you can even use a tablespoon, but be careful because you don't want it too, too dark. You just want it to have a little like color. All right. Okay, I'm going to use the minced garlic. You can use like a tablespoon of minced garlic. I already have it in the plate here. You can use some garlic powder, like a teaspoon of garlic powder. I already have it in the plate here. All right, you can use like just a pinch of black pepper. All right, and I like to use the red pepper seed. I love this. Just a pinch of red pepper seed. All right, and some Jamaican seasoned salt. I just put it in the minced garlic container, but it's Jamaican seasoned salt. All right, you can use some American spice, seasoned salt, everything already in this. But be careful with this, guys. You have to be very careful with it, but this have a whole lot of salt. Most of the time when I'm using this, I don't use any salt. That's why you see I don't have any salt here. But if you want to go ahead and put a little salt on your chicken, you can put a little, teaspoon of salt on your chicken. Okay, but if you're going to use this season, just be careful. You can replace this with all-purpose season or chicken season. All right. Okay. And this one, guys, is the paprika. You can put like a pinch of paprika because this is spicy. This is hot. All right. All right, guys. So I'm going to show you the fresh one. Guys, I'm going to use 2 onion. I'm going to peel my onion and just cut them in 4 pieces because I'm going to stuff them in the belly of the chicken. All right, I'm going to use like half of this thyme in the belly of the chicken and put the rest in my baking pan. Okay, very simple as I told you guys. And then guys, I'm going to use the refrigerator season. All right, the refrigerator season is having all different colors, sweet pepper, and it's already come with onion in it. So it's very easy for me right now because I want something quick. All right, I'm going to use 2 of it. I'm going to just put 2 of it in my pan and then saute it and put my chicken on top of it. Meanwhile, these are already in the belly. All right. Okay, right? If you want something simple and you don't have to cut up a lot of seasoning and so on, this is it, guys. And I'm going to use my pan. So once I plug in my pan and set it to what I want, I leave it there for about an hour. You can put the oven at 350, all right, degree, and then put it to bake for about an hour or hour and 20 minutes. You don't want to overcook your chicken. All right, guys, so this is what I'm going to use to season it up, as you can see. So now I'm going to season my chicken. As you can see, it's a small chicken. You want to make sure there's no feather on the chicken. You don't want to be, want to wash it, give it a nice wash. You don't want no feather on your chicken. This is nice and clean. You want it nice and clean. So now I'm going to season it. So I have my thyme and everything in this one. All right. So just get it a little bit dirty. And just rub everything all over the chicken. And if you can go inside of the chicken, even better. If you can go inside of the chicken, guys, try go inside of the chicken if you can. Just try remove the skin a little bit. Just try remove the skin a little bit and go inside. Guys, so you want to get everything out the dish. All right. For me, I would put it everywhere. So when that chicken bake and you cut it, oh my goodness, that flavor, I can smell that. I can smell that coconut in my rice and peas. Oh, my kitchen smells so good. So good. All right, so right now I'm gonna wash the thyme. Make sure your thyme is washed. All right, so I take a good nice chunk of thyme. I'm gonna wash this. Then I'm going to put my chicken in. So I'm going to throw a little oil all over it. Okay, make sure you just throw a tip a little oil all over it. All right, guys. Yes, sweetheart. Yes, dinner.
Look, it didn't just. I just found one of
All right,
this.
guys. My baked chicken is finished. I'm gonna remove it right now. Yep, it's ready to eat, guys. I will show you the finished product. Okay, guys, it's finished. Look at that, looking so delicious, so juicy. Oh my goodness, guys, I cannot wait to dig in. Oh my goodness, guys, you can eat this with anything your heart desire. Some rice and peas, some white rice, some mashed potato, you know, anything, guys, your heart desires. So guys, if you watch the video and you like, don't forget to subscribe, like, you know, leave me a comment, share if you like. All right, keep on smiling and come back for more. God bless.